Prompt caching. Playlist 3, Episode 5. Stop paying full price to reread what you already sent. From Episode 2, 62% of an agent's bill is resent context. The model, paying full price to reread what it already saw. So if the model is rereading the same content in the same session, can it just cache the result? Yes. That's prompt caching. Most teams leave 25 to 50% of their input bill on the table. Picture 3 steps of an AI agent working through a task. Here's the catch most people miss. The AI keeps no memory between steps. So every step, you have to resend everything it needs. Its standing instructions, the list of tools it can use, and the whole conversation so far. Only your newest request is actually new. Step 2 resends almost all of Step 1. Step 3 resends almost all of Step 2. The same big block, over and over. Three identical bills. Each step, the AI rereads the exact same block of text from scratch, and you pay full price for it, every single time. That repetition is the waste, and it is exactly what prompt caching removes. The idea is simple. The first time the AI sees that big unchanging block at the start, it does the work once and saves the result. Next time you send a request that begins with the same block, it reuses the saved work instead of redoing it. Same answer quality, almost no extra compute, so both the bill and the weight drop. Said differently, pay once, reuse many times. That's the whole shape. Part 2, 2 flavors. Anthropic and OpenAI do this differently. 2 flavors in production, structurally different. Anthropic uses explicit caching. You mark where the stable prefix ends with cache control. 90% off on reads, but writes cost 125x input. OpenAI uses automatic caching. Any prefix over 1024 tokens caches transparently. 50% off, no marker, no surcharge. The catch on Anthropic's version: writes cost 1.25x and reads cost 0.1x. You need about 1.5 reads per write just to break even. Cache a prompt and use it only once. You pay more than not caching. Default TTL is 5 minutes with a 1-hour option at higher write cost. Plan around real hit frequency. The catch that costs people the most. Caching only works if the prefix is stable. Same exact tokens, same exact order. Put a timestamp or a user ID in the first few hundred tokens, and your cache hit rate goes to 0. Even if the next 10K tokens are identical, the prefix doesn't match. Nothing caches. The fix is straightforward. Stable content first, variable content last, system prompt at the top, tool schemas next, conversation history in the middle, user's current message at the very end. Get that order right, and caching just works. Get it wrong, and you pay the write surcharge with none of the read discount. 3 things make caching pay off. Stable prefix at the top, enough reads per cache to clear the break-even. And measurement. You have to look at your cache hit rates to know it's working. Let's put real numbers on it. A 10,000 token prefix on Claude Sonnet costs about 3 cents at full price. The first call writes it to the cache. That costs 25% more, about 3.75 cents, one time. Every call after that reads the cache for 90% less, about 1/3 of a cent. Without caching, 10 calls cost 30 cents. With caching, 1 write plus 9 reads is about 6.5 cents, roughly 78% cheaper. Connect this back to Episode 2. 62% of your agent bill is resent context. Prompt caching, done well, can knock 30 to 50% off your input bill with no change in output quality. On $1,000 a month spend, that's $300 to $500 back every month for 1 afternoon of restructuring prompts. 3 things. Caching means pay once for the prefix, reuse many times. Anthropic gives 90% off but charges 1.25x on writes, need 1.5 reads to break even. OpenAI gives 50% off automatically, And the prefix has to actually be stable. Variable content at the top kills your hit rate. 3 rules, real money. Pay once, reuse many times, order matters. Next episode, model tiering, why you shouldn't use your best model for everything. Subscribe, we crack open every bone.